Hello. Spelling is often something that concerns students as many feel they are not good as they could or should be at it. However, spelling, like anything, is simply a matter of practice. So, here are some tips to help you when spelling any word. So, firstly, learn how the word is spelt. For some of us, simply learning the words and how it should be spelt is enough. So, this can be achieved simply through repetition. For example, there, and there is one rule which might be spelt successfully if you simply learn the rule. Another way to help you with your spelling is to visualize the words. So close your eyes if required and see the word. Some people even write the word on their finger on their palm. That's something you might see in spelling bee competitions. Break the word down as well. So for many words, breaking it down to its syllables, so its parts, is a great way to remember how to spell. So for example, business becomes bus I ness. Wednesday becomes Wednesday. You could also think about pronouncing silent letters. So knife is one example. Also consider an acronym. So using an acronym, that means that you take the first letter of the few words and put them together. So you might already use acronyms online or in text. So LOL, for example, stands for laugh out loud. BRB, be right back. One way to remember some tricky spellings is by turning each letter into a word. So for example, to remember rhythm, just remember rhythm helps your two hips move. So that turns words into silly sentences, which will help you remember them. Learn your rules. So, when you add a suffix, a word ending like nes to a word, that ends in a letter y. That y is changed to an I. But that's not the case if the suffix starts with an I, like ing. You could also, so someone can be trying, but that same person tries. You can be partying, or you can go to parties. Thanks to knowing one word, you can learn how to spell many other words for the same rules. So you can see why learning rules is really important. Finally, know your weaknesses. So create a list of words you know you spelled wrong and then practice learning how to spell them correctly. That's obviously really important because if you do that, then obviously you're working on areas you know you need to develop. So I hope that's been of use to you. Thank you and keep practicing.